Hello guys, welcome to our new video. We are going to solve a PicoCTF challenge called Who Are You? It is a medium level challenge on web exploitation. So let's launch So the principle is simple. We just have to find a flag in order to solve the challenge. So launch let's go to our website. So as you can see, they say they say only people who use the official Pico browser are allowed on this site. If you notice there is no Pico browser, so it is the most important here. Pico browser doesn't exist. So we are going to let's go to our web suite, which is already connected to our which is already connected to our browser. Turn off the interceptor and we reload the page. Okay, so here is the request that we have intercept. Let's send it to the repeater by doing a right click. We send it to the repeater. Here is the repeater. So let's send this request to the server to get a response. Okay, here is the response. What are the instructions? Let's go down. Okay, they say only people who use the official Pico browser are allowed on this site. So if you notice here on user agent, here is our navigator and here is our operating system, our OS. So as they are asking us to use our Pico browser, we delete it and put Pico browser and send the request again. And here they say I don't crush users visiting from another site. So here we are just going to copy the host, their host, come here, refer, and we paste in order to be on the same site. Okay. They say again, sorry, this site only work on 2018. So let's open another browser. See, HTTP request date and time. Okay. HTTP header request date and time. HTTP header request date. Okay, I think here is the right one. Okay, here is our an example, but we want here is the the form, but we want a real example that we can just copy, that we can just copy. Okay, here is an example. Let's copy it. Okay, let's copy it. Okay, okay, we have just copied it, and let we just paste. Okay, and we change the date. They say 2018, and we send the request. Okay, what are they are saying? I don't crush user who can be cracked. Okay, they don't want user who can be cracked. Okay, let's go again. Oh, I don't know why this problem is okay. Request. Here we just change this by do not do not crack. Okay. Okay. Here is it. Is it here? And they say one stand. Let's read more. One stand for the user does not want to be cracked. So we come. Let's just come here. UG do not crack one. We don't want to be cracked. Okay. What are they saying again? This website is only for people from Swedish. So South IP. South IP. We are just going to copy something so that we can use the Swedish IP. Okay, here's that. Okay, so now let's find a Sweden IP address. Okay, let's find an IP address. Okay, okay, okay. Let's copy this one. Okay, copy, and we just paste it here, and we send the request again. I I think it is the last one. No, they say you are in Sweden, but you don't speak Swedish. Okay, here is pretty simple. Because here, if you see here on accept language, the English is English. The language is English. We just have to change it by the Swedish code. Okay, SV SE. Okay. Now let's send it again for the last time. Okay. They say what what can I say except you are welcome? So we succeed to solve the challenge. As you can see here, they send us our Pico. They send us the flag. Let's copy the flag. Okay. Don't forget to turn off your intercept. Okay. Now we just come on our challenge here, and okay, we just have now to paste our flag in order to solve the challenge. Okay, no, it's not the flag here. Let's copy the flag again on the repeater here. Let's paste it. Okay, okay. Hurry, you have solved this challenge correctly. So, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for another video. We are going to on a series of video on the PicoCTF challenges and even try Hack Me or Hack the Box. So if you are interested, just subscribe and put a like. See you soon, guys.